Welcome to today's discussion. I'm Sonia.
And I'm Simon. We'll be covering several key financial and business stories.
Let's start with the news that the Reserve Bank of India has classified Tata Sons as an upper layer NBFC.
That's a significant move. What does being classified as an upper layer NBFC mean for Tata Sons?
According to the reporting, it means Tata Sons will face enhanced regulatory and supervisory scrutiny from the RBI. The company must also comply with listing requirements within 3 years.
So this classification is part of the RBI's revised scale-based regulatory framework. How does this framework determine which companies fall into the upper layer category?
The framework identifies companies based on their systemic importance and asset size. Tata Sons, being a significant holding company with substantial assets, meets the criteria for upper-layer NBFCs.
I see. And what are the implications of this classification for Tata Sons' operations and future plans?
The reporting suggests that Tata Sons will need to adhere to stricter regulatory requirements, which could impact their financial planning and disclosure practices. Listing on the stock exchanges within 3 years is also a significant requirement.
That's a big change. Does the RBI's decision affect other companies in similar positions?
Yes, the RBI has included Tata Sons in a list of 17 upper-layer NBFCs. Other companies in this category will also face similar regulatory scrutiny.
Let's move on to the news about Mexican avocado exports to the U.S. being halted. What's behind this stoppage?
The U.S. suspended avocado inspections in the Mexican state of Michoacan due to a non-specific threat to U.S. interests. Michoacan is a major avocado-producing region.
That must have significant implications for both the U.S. and Mexican economies, given the importance of avocado exports. How has Mexico responded to this suspension?
Mexico has deployed additional troops to Michoacan to ensure safety. The region is also known for high cartel activity.
So the security situation in Michoacan is a critical factor here. Do we know more about the nature of the threat that led to the suspension?
The reporting doesn't specify the exact nature of the threat, but it highlights the challenges posed by organized crime in the region.
Let's shift gears to some IPO news. Milky Mist has set its IPO price band at $133 to $140 per share, aiming to raise 1,553 crore.
That's right. The IPO is set to open on August 11th and close on August 13th. The funds raised will be used for growth and debt reduction.
What are the key details investors should know about this IPO?
The issue size is 1,553 crore, and the anchor investor allocation is scheduled for August 10th. Investors should check the price band and other details before subscribing.
Another significant IPO is ShipRockets, which is set to open on August 12th. What's the story there?
ShipRocket is looking beyond parcel delivery to merchant software solutions. Non-shipping services now drive over a quarter of their total revenue and are growing 3 times faster than core logistics.
That's an interesting diversification strategy. How does this IPO compare to the initial plans?
ShipRocket has reduced its IPO size to 1,617 crore from the initially planned 2,342 crore. The price band is set at 92 to 97 per share.
Let's discuss LIC's Q1 results. The net profit rose 23% to 13,492 crore. What were the key drivers behind this growth?
The value of new business surged 61.3%, and the net VNB margin expanded to 22.9%. Total annual premium equivalent was up 8.22% to 13,692 crore.
That's impressive growth. How does this performance reflect on LIC's overall market position?
LIC retains a 60.10% market share in Indian life insurance. The strong VNB growth indicates a positive trend in new business profitability.
Overall, it seems like a strong quarter for LIC. Are there any specific factors that contributed to this performance?
The reporting highlights the improvement in new business profitability and margin expansion as key factors. Despite weaker than expected AP, the overall performance was robust. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that these stories cover a wide range of financial and business developments.
Indeed, from regulatory changes to IPO activities and company performances, there's a lot to take in. Thank you for joining us.
Goodbye and see you later.